Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good
Ma'am.
morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good
everyone.
morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
Fine, ma'am. How about
I'm
you?
also fine. So it is very cold, or how is it
Ma'am, it is like a freezer over here.
in Pune?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my God.
Ma'am,
So why, ma'am,
Studium. Ma'am, you are
why
very.
Bilal has not wear sweater?
Who's not well, beta?
No, where?
What she's
That-
saying? Say again, beta.
In Pune, there.
You can hear me now?
Yes, say again.
In Pune, Bilal is saying there is very cold, no?
Yes,
Very
very
cold.
cold. Yes.
So why he has not wear a sweater?
He is not worn a sweater. Yes, very good question. Bilal, why you have not worn the sweater, Bilal?
I don't know, ma'am. It is a childhood habit.
Acha,
I
he
don't
doesn't
even-
have. Some people know even if they feel cold, they don't
No, I
wear
have
anything.
a sweater, but I rarely wear it.
Yes, some people don't wear. Even if they have, they don't wear. Yes, they have a habit. Okay. All right. Now English today. So come on, get fresh. Matlab be ready. So
Yes,
we'll do the
ma'am.
revision.
Ma'am,
Yes,
oral
Okay,
ma'am.
but
Ready.
listen to me. I have already given you all the revision of a golden bird. No, I have already done that.
Yes, ma'am. I have also done it.
Yes, we
Yes,
have
And
already
we have to
done.
do that Maui one, ma'am.
Yes, Maori.
Yes, the Maori one.
I've prepared for that lesson today. Maori, not golden bird. Okay, I'm
We have to
writing
do a
on
golden
bird.
bird and synonyms, na, ma'am.
Yeah, no, golden bird is better already. We have done the revision. Now today we'll do of Maori. Okay, in writing. Last time I had done of Maori, but we didn't do in writing. Okay, just I will write it down. You all also copy. Take your books, beta, all of you.
ma'am, what are we gonna
Revision,
write?
revision. We are doing revision, beta. Just give me a moment, okay? I'll share the screen and then we'll start writing all of us. Okay, I'm sharing the screen now. Let me know if you all can see it. Everybody is feeling cold. Yes? Don't feel like getting up, no, in the morning?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
I know it's so boring.
Yes,
to get up.
ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Hinda likes to get up, Hinda?
Yes, ma'am.
Good girl. Can you all see the screen? Today is what date, beta? 6th or 5th? 6th, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, y'all can see the screen, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I'm sure this answer all of you know. How do Maori people greet each other? Any idea?
Ma'am, they rub their noses.
Touch noses. They touch noses to greet each other. Yes? You all remember this? Yes? Yes. See, anything will come in the exam from the starting, read the lesson. From the start of the lesson, read. Okay?
Ma'am, the Maori.
Very good. I was just going to ask this answer.
Ma'am, wait.
What, beta?
I am on the first question.
I'm just writing, beta. You copy, no, beta? Slowly. Everybody is writing, all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me see. Just 1 minute. I'm stopping the share. 1 minute. Huh? How many of you are there today? Only
Ma'am,
9.
Eight.
Okay, including me, 9. Lots of absenteeism. Mariam is not well. She's down with viral fever. Okay. Sayyad is not there. Musa is there, beta? Yes, Musa is there. Who else is missing? Zoeb, no? Zoeb.
Ma'am, Nida.
Zoeb, Nida, Sayyad. Yes. And Mariam.
Mariam.
Yes. Okay. No problem. Come on, I'm sharing the screen. You all continue writing. Have you all completed till question 2? Shall I explain what is give one word for? You all know this? Give one word for?
No, ma'am.
Can you
Wait,
I will
ma'am, I'm
explain this.
writing.
What is
Question
this?
2, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm
Ma'am,
done
can you
till
wait?
question.
Yeah, I'm waiting. You all write the question 2 and be after question 2, tell me. Then I'll explain and write.
Ma'am, I'm going to bathroom. 1 minute. Huh?
Yeah, okay. Sara, you're writing, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Good girl. Hamza,
Yes, ma'am.
Madiha, all of you, Arhan, or Inda, all of you are writing, all of you. Hina,
Yes, ma'am.
yes,
I
okay.
am writing.
Very good. Complete till question 2. Ikra, Arhan, who is left? All of you.
Ma'am, I am writing.
Yes. Good, good. Write down till question 2 and tell me, then I'll explain and write. Okay?
Ma'am, I'm on the question 2's answer.
Yeah, good, good. Complete it, beta. Completed, beta?
Yeah, ma'am, I'm the in
I'm last one.
line.
And I am done.
Done.
Okay, okay. Let Bilal come. He's gone to the washroom, no? Okay. Now, what is the meaning? What is the question? Hinda, read the question 3.
Give one word for.
Okay. Now, I have not written the question. Now, I'm writing the question and I'll explain. You all don't write. Just wait for me to explain first. See, this is the opposite of meaning. The meaning will be given. You have to write the word. An important older person in community is called elder.
Elder.
Understood?
Elder.
Yes? Easy?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now copy beta.
Okay,
All
ma'am.
of you.
Why?
Anybody knows this answer? Power to control or demand obedience.
Authority.
Ma'am,
Authority. Yes.
Authority.
Very good. Who said that? Hina, no?
Ma'am, Inda.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good.
Hinda,
Hinda
I
and
told.
Hina. Okay. Anybody knows the third one?
No.
Stage.
Ma'am,
Stage.
Very good. An area, the area where the actors perform is called the stage.
Stage, ma'am. I am in the first one.
Waiting. I'm just writing better than you all can write. Completed till the give one word for?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay,
I
write
am
it down.
second.
Okay, write it down. You all know these answers. You all are revising the lessons. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
You all should know the answers better because this is all from the textbook, nothing from outside.
Ma'am, I don't write on the screen, please. I am on question 3.
Where are you, beta?
On question 3, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm waiting, beta. Okay, question 4. Any idea? Anybody knows this?
Mama,
Ma'am,
I am writing
Ma'am, wait. I'm writing the
third
second.
one.
Okay, okay,
I'm writing authority.
okay, okay. This authorities A will be small, okay? It's not necessary to write capital.
Ma'am, I know you will do that. That's why I wrote the small only.
Yeah, by mistake, this in the laptop while typing, it happens. Okay, just listen to answer for 1 minute. You all know what happened in the Maori legend? According to it, what happened? How
Ma'am,
were
the
the
sun
days?
went,
The
the days
days
were
were
short, ma'am.
days
The
were
days were
short.
short.
Yes.
And
People
and
could
night
not
were
finish their
longer.
daily tasks. Yes. And the children had very little time to play. It is on page 88. If you see the starting part of the lesson in this paragraph, it is there. This answer, page 88. Okay. Is that clear? So
Yes.
always
Yes, ma'am.
revise
Ma'am,
everything.
I've done the third one.
Yes. Now I'm writing the answer. Please mute yourselves. Ma'am, I can tell. Ma'am.
Ma'am, the answer is too big on this.
But it's very easy. What is there in that? The days were too short. People could not finish their daily tasks. And children had very little time to play. Yes? Such an easy answer. Ma'am. 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 Ma'am, we also grow plants so that when they become
Done, ma'am.
trees, they can provide us with oxygen. Khatija is giving answers. Okay, please complete till question 4. Question 5, then I'll
Ma'am, I'm
start.
in short.
What?
I'm in short, ma'am.
Okay, complete question 4, then question 5 we will do together.
Ma'am, today was the golden birds test, right?
No, I've already given the
No,
revision.
ma'am.
I've already completed that. I said no in the starting. That is why I did not
Yes.
answer. Yes. We'll complete the revision of all, then I can take oral revision also. Okay? Completed
Okay.
question 4.
Ma'am, you forgot meaning.
I didn't forget meanings.
Yes,
I'm
yes,
giving,
yes,
I'm
yes,
not
yes.
giving everything, beta. I cannot give everything. I'm giving little from the lesson. Yes?
Ma'am,
Meanings
question
always.
4 done.
Yes. Now question 5, give the synonyms. Okay. First word.
Ma'am,
Let's
I'm on children.
What, beta?
I'm in children.
Write fast.
Wait. I'm writing. Huh?
Completed?
Ma'am, can you write answer 5?
Yes,
Yes,
time.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay. No, I want you all to give the answers. I want to see if you all know synonyms. That is why I'm waiting. Otherwise, I would have
Ma'am,
written.
I know synonyms, ma'am. I know synonyms.
Okay. Large.
Giggle.
Big,
Sorry. Big.
Yes.
big, or
Very
huge.
good.
Ma'am, we don't have to write this, right?
No, you have to write it. Why you? Then how you will revise for the exam?
No, ma'am, I've read this already.
From where?
Glad, happy, large, big.
I have not given this. I'm giving you the first time. Exit.
Hmm.
Exit. You know what is the meaning of exit? Go away.
Get
Leave.
out! Get out!
Leave.
Leave.
Please write it down. Present. What is present?
Gift.
Gift. Yes. Alike. Something which looks alike.
Dislike.
No, opposite.
no.
I'm not asking opposite.
Similar.
Same. Stone.
Ma'am, can you do a little bit of up, please?
1 minute, beta.
Rock, ma'am.
Yes, rock. You got this sheet or what?
No, ma'am.
Last. Last is what? This is the last chance you have.
Finally.
Final. Yes, very good.
Final.
Oh, see where I'm writing. Final. Okay.
Ma'am, when it's done, you will show from starting again, right?
Yes, beta. I will
I'm
share on
over the
Google
final.
Classroom also.
No, ma'am, not like that, I'm saying. If you are done,
Simple, ma'am. Simple. Easy, simple. Easy, simple.
Yes, simple. What, Hinda, beta? I didn't understand what you're saying.
Ma'am, if you are done the 5th one, so will you show that like stone, rock, last, final, and the up one?
I will share on Google Classroom. No, you can see there also, beta. Okay? Completed? Shall I write the 8th
Ma'am,
one?
can you show the first one?
Yes, ma'am, we can write the 8th one.
Yes, ma'am. They are still copying, beta.
Ma'am, I have done till 7.
Ma'am, why they are so solo?
I don't know, Hina, why they are slow. Okay. Next one. Mistake.
Error.
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 Yes, error.
I
Very
told.
good. Occur. Something which Occurred. It occurred.
Happen.
Happen. Yes, very good. Happen.
Ma'am, wait. Don't go.
Why don't go, don't go?
Done, ma'am. Tell.
Next is trip. Trip. What is a trip?
Um.
Ma'am, vacation.
Journey.
No,
Oh,
ma'am.
yes.
Okay, next can I write?
Yes.
Sad.
Ugly.
Unhappy.
How can it be ugly?
I know. Good.
Nice.
Nice.
Ma'am, nice.
Better.
Fine.
Better.
Fine, fine.
Ma'am, nice also to there.
Okay. Infant. What is an infant? Another word for infant?
Baby.
Baby. Yes. Select. Please mute yourselves, beta. There's some sound. Mute your calls.
Choose. Ma'am, select. Choose.
Very
Ma'am,
good.
can we write choose?
Yes, right.
Man,
It is.
choose.
Yes,
Ma'am,
yes,
can
beta.
you
Yes,
do
yes.
second one?
It is right.
Ma'am.
Yes, bacha.
Ma'am, can you show from the starting because I was writing the back one.
So after that, sixth one is only here in this page, beta.
Ma'am,
First is
proper.
Yes, ma'am, can you
Proper.
show the I will do it fast. The
Ma'am,
first
for
one.
accurate, it is proper, ma'am.
First is over, beta. First you have written or no 1 to 4.
No, ma'am.
Then you copied from Google Classroom. Now I cannot again and again share the screen. Go up, go down.
Ma'am, just say the words you have written.
Leave the
Ma'am.
place, na beta. You can copy it from Google Classroom. Leave 1, 2, 3, 4. Right from number 5. I always tell you all leave the place for the other answers.
Ma'am, the synonym for accurate, it is proper, ma'am.
Accurate, it is correct. CORRECT. You say now what is the accurate answer? What is the correct answer for this? All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Copy this much
Ma'am,
quickly.
I got the 2 one. First is large, second is
Pinta, you're
exit and the
wasting
third
your
is-
time. Can you please leave 4, 5 lines and start from what you can see, beta? Why you're wasting your time for that, bacha? Start from number 5. I'm going to share on Google Classroom. It's not that I'm not going to share, no?
Ma'am, why did you take out?
Just 1 minute. I will save the file. Otherwise, if the electricity or anything goes, it will go away.
Ma'am, have we done antonyms?
Say. Missed.
Write quickly.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of that ninth one?
Occur. Something which took place, which happened, beta. An accident happened, you say no, it occurred. Yes? Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm on the 10th one.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have done till 15.
Okay. Those who have completed, now I'll ask you a few oral questions. Let me see who can answer. Okay?
Ma'am, have we done antonyms?
I'll check 1 minute.
No, ma'am, we have not done.
Oh, okay.
Which topics I have done, I've written. Antonyms are not there also. I have not given you in the portion.
Oh, okay.
I've given you only synonyms.
Yes.
So don't worry. And even if something comes like this, you should be prepared. Right? You don't have to get scared. Sometimes teachers give you something out of the syllabus also. Yes, in the exam. All right. Can I stop sharing the screen? Can I ask you a few questions for 2-3 minutes? We have
Ma'am, I'm
7
on the
minutes.
15th. I'm on the 15th.
Copy quickly, Hinda. You're the slowest in writing.
Ma'am, I'm not the slowest, ma'am.
Today you are slow, bacha. Come on fast. Okay. First question. Give me the synonym for completed, Hinda.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'm stopping the share and I'm asking you few questions. Whoever knows can give me the answer. Give me the synonym for noise.
Sound.
Ma'am, the sound.
Hina sound.
Sound,
Okay.
ma'am. In the sound.
Honest. Honest.
Truth. Truthful. Truthful.
Truthful.
Believe.
Cross.
Truthful.
CROSS. Cross.
No.
I was cross at.
Wrong.
Listen to me. I'm giving you example.
Angry.
Yes, angry. I was cross at the student. I was angry at the student. Okay. Next.
Ma'am,
Help.
also mother will be
Help. Synonym for help.
helping.
No.
Helping.
Mostly Hamza, helping. No. It is not helping, beta. Come on, think.
Help.
Ma'am, don't know.
Assist. You assist somebody. Assist. Yes, Tara?
Assess.
Okay. One moment. Fast. Synonym for fast.
Fastest.
Speed.
Speed.
Another word.
Speedy.
Quick.
What?
Quick.
Quick. Yes, quick. Another synonym for start.
Mm.
Stop.
Begin. Yes, begin.
Beginning.
Synonym for ill.
Sick.
Sick.
Sick. I'm in the sick.
Ma'am, no, ma'am. I said.
I'm in the
I told.
No, I told.
Synonym for always. She is always late. Always. Synonym.
What?
Always. Synonym for always.
Every day.
No.
Every day.
Forever.
Yes, but I thought that it's the wrong.
What?
I was thinking of that, but I thought that it is wrong.
No, this is right, beta. Forever. Always is forever. Okay. Synonym for near.
Close.
Close.
Okay. And give me this answer. Let me see who knows the lessons. Hi, ma'am. Give meanings of mistakes.
Error.
Give meanings.
Error.
Meanings.
Wrong.
Oh,
Something wrong.
mistake. Meaning.
Meanings of mistake.
Ma'am, something is
Action
wrong.
or decision that is wrong.
Very good,
And
Hina. Very good. Next. How many women were in the play script of Maori?
3.
4.
Four women.
Four.
And village elder?
1.
Ma'am,
How many
One.
children? How many children were
Three.
there?
4.
3.
3 children. And how many men?
2.
2 men. Okay. What kind of food does child 3 dislike?
Child
Ma'am,
dislike
vegetables.
vegetables. Ma'am.
Vegetables. Okay.
Vegetable.
Why does the woman too keep making mistakes in her weaving?
As the sun has gone down, she is unable to see to finish it.
Yes, as the sun has gone down and she's unable to see to complete the task. Yes.
Yes, finish it.
Okay. Play script. This play scripts from different cultures is based on which legend?
Maori legend.
Maori
Maori.
legend. Yes. So you have to read the textbook. Hina has read the textbook. She can answer anything. See, quickly she's giving the answers. Okay. How do people in your country greet one another?
Ma'am, we greet in a handshake.
By shaking
Yeah, we greet.
hands. Yes. By shaking hands. Okay. Fill in the blanks. The Maori hold special dash to welcome dash to their country.
Ceremonies to welcome visitors to the
Ceremonies,
country.
ma'am.
Okay.
Ceremonies and visitors.
Okay. They often perform dash and sometimes
Dances.
dash their faces.
Dances and paint their faces.
And paint their faces. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Name the 2 important arts of the Maori culture.
Carving and weaving.
Carving.
Yes, carving
Yes,
and
carving and
weaving.
Yes.
So see, the questions of fill in the blanks can come in the question. Questions can come in fill in the blanks. Anything can come. So you know, you need to know the answer. Is that clear? Okay. Now for the
Yes.
next class, we'll do the revision of Maori catches the sun. That is page 92. Okay. And we'll
Yes.
do alphabetical order. Alphabetical
Okay.
order. All right.
Okay.
Is that clear? Okay. Any
Yes,
doubts?
ma'am.
Anybody has any doubts? You all are clear? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
You all are studying, no? See, because now we have few days for your exam. Okay. Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
please start studying. And next class, what we'll do is, instead of writing, we'll do an oral class on Tuesday for
Yes. Yes,
oral,
ma'am.
oral
Yes.
test, boys versus girls. Okay.
No, ma'am. Not do that, ma'am.
We'll do
Ma'am,
No.
on
oral,
what
oral.
lesson? On
What,
what lesson?
beta?
On what
Maori
lesson?
catches the second part, no? I told you the second part.
Yes.
Which one?
Ma'am, we will not do that girls versus boys. We will do Olari. Oh,
No,
Olari.
we'll do girls
What
versus
is it?
boys. I want to see
Yes,
how
ma'am.
many girls and boys. Maori catches the sun. Page number 92 and alphabetical order.
They are absent, that's why.
I know they are absent. No, lots of boys are absent. Okay, no
Yes, and
problem.
girls.
Any doubts? Please ask in the next session. Don't waste your time. If you have any doubts in anything, please ask me before the exam. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Y'all have completed, no? Y'all know everything now? Yes?
Yes.
Yes? No doubts?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? Whatever I'm doing revision, y'all are able to understand, beta?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
It is easy, no? After the revision? Yes?
Very
Yes.
easy. Very,
Very easy? Okay. Chalo, bye-bye. See you.
Bye,
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.
Have a nice
Tomorrow
day.
meet you tomorrow for public speaking. Yeah, bye.
Yes, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta.
Ma'am, have a nice
Bye.
day.
You also have a nice day, all of you, beta. Bye.
You too. Bye, bye.
Bye, beta.